We represent CA Shweta Jain as your candidate for the WIRC of ICAI. Shweta has an experience over 2 decades. Starting her career in industry as an associate, she took a plunge and started her own practice in 2006, and since then, she has not looked back. As a successful business entrepreneur, she leads her business as a principal partner of Shweta Jain and Company with branches in multiple cities in India. Her entrepreneurial abilities have been recognized on different forums. She has actively involved in the institute. She has represented the institute on various platforms of WIRC in different capacities, including as chairperson of Vasai branch, chairperson of WIC ASA, the student body, different committees of WIRC like Women Empowerment, Student Committee, India's Committee, Digital Accounting and Assurance Board. She has been part of these committees and have been contributing to them. Under her leadership, the Vasai branch has been awarded as the best branch and also appreciated as highly commendable branch. She is an India's expert and has contributed in India's publications of WIRC. In addition to her contribution in India's publication of WIRC, she has taken various initiatives in organizing technology-oriented programs to meet the objectives of empowering the members in conducting their audit and insurance in digital environment, which is the key necessity in today's era. As a chartered accountant, we sometimes feel the lack of practical exposure to the different environments hampering our success rate. In order to overcome these limitations, she took the initiative and has facilitated various knowledge enhancement seminars for the members, including conducting mock sessions of IT/AT proceedings and mock tribunals. As a fraternity community, we grow and flourish when every sex of the community grows. Shweta understands the importance and knows very well we need to grow and develop collectively as chartered accountants fraternity, and 28% women CAs have to be there for the growth story. We cannot ignore them. She is a part of the Women Empowerment Committee and has led and conducted various programs for the opportunities that are available for women by guiding these women and making them aware about their rights and encouraging them to avail the opportunity available as professionals. As a human being, we are indebted to the society, and it is important we give back to the society in various forms. Shweta has been involved in the various social initiatives conducted by Bharat Vikas Parishad, Jain Chartered Accountants Federation and various other bodies. Shweta has been engaged in the cause of empowerment, upliftment and improving the various aspects of fraternity members over the past decade. And in order to take these good deeds to the next level, it is important that it is properly supported and represented at the higher levels at the right forums and platforms, where her voice is not only heard but also makes the difference. With the objective of strengthening her and supporting her in her endeavor, we seek your support as first preference vote to ensure our representation in the Western region through her candidature. Please remember, her serial number is 13 on ballot paper. Your first preference vote can really make the difference.